Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how you can withdraw your Hamster Kombat, MEMEFI, and Dogs coins and make some cool cash. So buckle up. First things first, let's talk about Hamster Kombat. On July 9th, 2024, it traded at 0.1 USDT on Bybit. Fast forward to July 15th, and it doubled to 0.2 USDT. You can see it right here on my screen. Hamster Kombat on Bybit.com. Fancy, huh? Now, I know you're dying to know, how do I calculate my profits? Well, it's simple. Just figure out your profit per hour and you'll get a sneak peek at your future riches once this coin is tradable for everyone on Bybit.
You guys are getting paid?
And guess what? This coin is already available for pre-market trading. Exciting times, right? Now let's shift gears to MEMEFI. The MEMEFI listing and airdrop are just around the corner. Here's the predicted price. Spoiler alert, it's gonna be big. For all you Dogs coin enthusiasts out there, it traded at 0.04 WUSDT. You can see it here, already in pre-market trading on Gate.io since July 11th. So how do you withdraw your Hamster Kombat, MEMEFI, and Dogs coins? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First up, you need Tonkeeper. Make sure this Tonkeeper wallet is downloaded on your phone. Got it? Great. Next, install Bybit. Do your KYC and get verified so you can sell those coins once you withdraw them. Next step, head over to Telegram. I'll show you how. Open Telegram, then open Hamster Kombat. Tap on play. Claim your daily reward and tap on Airdrop. Connect your wallet. See, I've already linked my Tonkeeper wallet here. The airdrop will be sent to your Tonkeeper. From there, you can move it to Bybit and trade or sell it. Simple, right? Now, for Dogs coin, here's how to claim it. Tap on Open. Then tap on Connect Wallet. Connect your Tonkeeper. I'll tap on Tonkeeper, and my wallet opens up to authorize the connection. Use your fingerprint to confirm. Boom! Connected. Later, you can claim the airdrop to your Tonkeeper wallet and move it to Binance or Bybit to sell. Same deal with MEMEFI. Make sure to claim your coins, tap on boosters, and activate your bot. Always activate your bot, folks. Here's a pro tip. Check out MEMEFI Academy. Watch their video, and they'll reward you with 500k MEMEFI coins. Yep, 500k. Keep racking up those coins and make sure your wallet is linked. Once the airdrop is distributed, just tap that withdraw button, and voila, your MEMEFI coins are in your wallet. So there you have it. If you learned something new today, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.
I'm rich.